In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post journals, making adjustments in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing your company's finances or setting up accounts for your business, understanding how to efficiently post journals is crucial in ensuring accurate financial reporting. Let's start by navigating to manual journals. You'll first want to direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar of your Zoho Books interface. Here, you'll find the Accountant section, a centralized hub for your financial tracking and adjustments. Click on it, and from there, head over to Manual Journals. If you're ready to create a new journal entry, you'll hit the plus new button or the plus icon that appears. This is your gateway to introducing new data into your records, keeping everything clean and organized. Next, let's delve into filling out the journal details. Begin by entering the date for this entry. This is the date when the transaction or adjustment actually occurred, a seemingly simple but vital component for accurate record keeping. The journal number might be automatically generated, but don't worry if you need a different numbering system. You can alter this in the settings. Reference and notes sections are there for any additional information you find necessary to include, allowing you to seamlessly integrate and recall context later on. If this adjustment impacts cash flow, make sure to select the corresponding option, keeping financial forecasts accurate. And if the journal entry involves foreign currency, simply change the currency setting to ensure that your data reflects real-world values accurately. Now we move to entering debit and credit amounts. First, select the account you'd like to affect using the drop-down menu. This helps designate where exactly these new entries will reflect in your financial records. Enter the debit or credit amounts accordingly. Here's the classic double entry rule. The total of the debit side should always balance with the credit side. Zoho Books helps by indicating any disparities, so you can make necessary adjustments. You'll want to add lines for both sides if needed to ensure everything evens out. And for extra context, feel free to attach relevant files. These could be invoices, receipts, or any supporting document that adds more depth to your entry. Finally, it's time to save your journal entry. You can choose to save and publish if you're ready to finalize and post your journal immediately. Alternatively, if you want some time to review, opting for Save as Draft allows you to save your progress and return later. Of course, if you decide against proceeding, the Cancel option will discard the entry entirely. This flexibility ensures you're always in control of your financial data without feeling rushed or pressured into making hasty entries. And there we have it, your complete guide on posting journals in Zoho Books, keeping your financial data accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep tracking those finances diligently.